Our genre for this week is called Tall Tales. Tall tales are exaggerated stories that are meant to be entertaining. So exaggeration means that it's going above and beyond, just being extremely dramatic. Tall tales include a main character who is larger than life and often has superhuman abilities. The main character of a tall tale solves problems in a funny way that is hard to believe, which is again goes along with that exaggeration. Authors of tall tales use exaggerated descriptions of characters and events. So when we're reading tall tales, we want to look at the character interaction based on what they do and what they say towards one another. We want to look at the dialogue between the characters, the problems between the characters, any outside forces that might influence a character's reaction, a character's tone and thoughts, and we want to ask ourselves, are the actions positive or negative? Because that'll give us a really good idea about who that character is and the type of person that they're portraying. So going back to today's story, Thunder Rose, right here, you are going to think about what you know about tall tales. What are some things you'd like to know about the main character in this story? And instead of writing them down here, you're going to turn and talk with a buddy and to let them know your answer. So again, what are some things you'd like to know about the main character of this story? Go. All right, we're going to wrap up that conversation in 3, 2, 1. Moving right along. Here's Thunder Rose. We are going to go to the next slide and follow along as the story is read to us. And the highlights will be on, so you will be able to see each word being read. So please make sure that you are following along.